0x80190193 on Xbox app, Microsoft Store on PC. Restart your PC, close Xbox app and Microsoft Store, restart your computer, open Xbox app again, try installing the game, check if the error is gone. Sign out and back into Xbox app, open Xbox app, click your profile icon, select sign out, close the Xbox app, reopen it and sign back in. Try installing the game again. 3. Sign out and back into Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, click your profile picture, select sign out, restart Microsoft Store, sign in using the same Microsoft account as Xbox app. Retry the installation. 4. Repair Xbox app. Open settings, go to apps, installed apps, select Xbox, click advanced options, click repair, restart the Xbox app, test the installation. 5. Repair Microsoft Store, open settings, apps, select Microsoft Store, open advanced options, click repair, relaunch Microsoft Store, try downloading the game. Reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store, open advanced options for Xbox app, click reset, repeat the process for Microsoft Store, restart your PC, sign back into both apps, install the game again. 7. Clear Microsoft Store cache, press Windows R, type wsreset.exe, press enter, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen, sign in again if necessary, retry the installation. 8. Reinstall gaming services, open PowerShell as administrator, run get appx package Microsoft.gaming services, remove appx package -all users, restart your PC, open Xbox app, install gaming services when prompted, try downloading the game. 9. Check date, time, and region settings. Open settings, time and language, enable set time automatically. Enable set time zone automatically. Click sync now, confirm your region is correct. Retry the installation. 10. Install pending Windows updates. Open settings, Windows update, click check for updates, install all available updates, restart your PC, open Xbox app and install the game. Bonus fix. If error 0x80190193 still appears, open command prompt as administrator. Run ipconfig /flush DNS netcache winsock reset. Restart your PC, launch Xbox app. Try downloading the Game Pass game again. These solutions can fix most Xbox Game Pass installation failures and error code 0x80190193 caused by Microsoft Store issues, gaming services corruption, account synchronization problems, or network-related errors on Windows 11 and Windows